Oh, my own 22 grandkids now growing old in the house that your brother bought you.
Subject cat. Meow. Kai. Kai. Pose. Kai. Kai. Cuddling in bed like. What's up? What's up, everybody? It's God knows what time in the fucking morning. It is cold as hell here. Well, not really. I got a little stooky doggy coming to try to see what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is doing my vlog. And so this morning, waking up.
Chop.
Yep. Because that's all. Just finished feeding the puppies their breakfast. Mama dog's like, I want some of their breakfast, but no, she already got her dog off. But
Puppies! No, you guys don't love those.
so I prefer to vape and smoke, but I prefer to do none,
Come to bed?
if that makes sense.
Hey, yeah, look at
Here's a video. Mummy dog's like, give me some of your food. They're like, give me a titty. We want a titty. We don't want this food anymore. Apart from that one. And this one's finished. And Chop's like, I'm out. Oh, and we've got another one going, follow the leader. And these ones are like, Ma, come. Ma, come. Ma. They're like a pack of walkers. And like Naya's the human food source. So they gotta like run to it. Ready? And she's like, nah, ain't no walkies eating me today. She's like, get out of here, walkies. Get out. Get out. I'm trying to eat. They're like, yeah, we got it. We bounced.
And I was William Sheeran. She took my name and then we were one down by the Wexford border.